Hello everyone, it's Almin with you again with another short video tutorial on how to install Tyflow on your computer and in your 3ds Max. So because I have already installed the Tyflow on my computer, it's located right here under the standard primitives, but if you don't see it there right now, that means that you just have to head onto your Google search and to type download Tyflow, and it will bring this website where you can download it from. If you click on that one, it will bring you into another area where you just have to accept terms and conditions, and then select your V-Ray model, and then just click download, and it will bring all the necessary Tyflow documents into your downloads folder. After, what you will have to do is just to copy those files into your C drive. You head on to program files, you find your Autodesk, and then you head on to your 3ds Max and copy those selected files under the plugins folder. After you paste it there, you will just have to restart your 3ds Max, and your Tyflow will appear right where it's supposed to be. Thank you so much, and I will be with you very shortly with another video.